See about class components. In previous video we are seeing about functional components. The main difference between class and functional component is in here while passing props we don't use this, but in here coming to class components we will use this. And also here no in app.js we are using use state. No, this is called as kind of hooks. Use state, use effect, use memo, use callback, all those things will be there. Those things we can only able to use in functional component only. Coming to class components we can we only use lifecycle methods, something like component did mount, component unmount, will unmount, those things will be there. These are the main difference between class and functional components. In here we will create one sample project for, like, we can name it as homepage.js. Already I told for the snippets you want to install React snippets for that extension, that is here. Once you can able to install it, then you can give it as a RC, or C means React class components, you can give it as a C. Then you can get this syntax like this. In here you can give some kind of h1 heading, and you can give login page, something like that. Just save it, and you need to render this component here. In previously we render this functional components. In down we can render this home page. Just it also shown that component path, it is inside components and home page. You just need to click on this and you can give and save it as. And also these are only warnings. If you're having warnings, then the app will definitely it will work. If you're having error, then it should not work. What is here it is telling, actually we are added the set name, but we are never used in anywhere, so that is the warning they are giving. And also if you're going to the app, here is that app, you can able to find there is some space here. This is because of color difference, so I can give this headings something like as of now we are using inline styles. For this you can do style, and then color will be, if you want whatever color you can give. I just giving blue. Then you can able to see this login page. So this is difference between class and functional components. In here if you are passing props, for example if the same props you are passing name equal to name, you just get it from, actually here it is telling that we need to pass it there, no, so we need to access it from there. So we go here and then we'll go to home page, and then here you can call that this dot props dot name. In here you can pass this props. In app.js there is some parsing error, that is we are not giving this. The props is not defined in this home page. It is telling that this props is not at all required. Just give name. You can able to get that JavaScript here. So this is the thing, if you are not all passing this keyword here, then if you're facing some issues in here it is telling the props is not defined, because in class components you should use this keyword to access that props, this dot props dot name. Actually you can pass it like if you are having the same home page in this itself, you can pass it like different props. So this is called some kind of HOC components. In here I'm just passing like React JS, and then I'm just saving it. You can able to see this in this login page JavaScript, and here you can able to see this React.js. So based upon a single component, based upon the props, you can pass it as different, and then you can access it here like with the help of this keyword dot props dot name. This name is whatever you're passing here, you can name it as like this. If you're passing here it as some kind of value, if you're passing like this, and then here also you're passing it as value, you can replace this and save it. Then you can not able to get it from here, it won't show the error, but inside your name it as a value, but you are calling this as a name. Then how it will work? So you can replace it like value, and then you can check means the value is coming here. So based upon your passing, and you can also pass multiple props in here. Also you can pass name equal to, you can give something HTML. No, you can give it as a string because it is not a state, right? So you can give it as something string, and here also you can pass it like that. You can just copy it and paste it here and go to your home page, and next to this, or else you can give some kind of paragraph tag, and for accessing you should wrap it with the curly braces. You can call it as this dot props dot name. Then you can able to get that color is a problem. We can color it is like, just copy this and paste it here. You can get that HTML here. So based upon the things you can able to find it here. You can pass a multiple props also. You can also pass a set state as well. Actually you can pass this state name in here equal to set name. Just save it, go here, and you can, actually this is a class component, so it won't work here. You need to, this is because use state is hooks, so these things should use in functional components only. So you not able to set it there. You can go to the sample file and you can set it here. Just save it and go here, and here you can have use effect. Use effect is, just you need to call that on the first use effect props dot set name will be, you can just pass a string val, something you can do. While going this, the name will set it as a string val. You can see here use effect is in everywhere it is changed as a string val. Use effect, this is called dependencies. In this use effect you are passing empty dependencies, that means empty array. On the first calling of this, it should render only one time. If you need to render this again and again, you can pass that state. With the help of that state, it will render again and again. So this hooks concept and all we will see it in the further videos. Thanks for watching.